make the shot. Oh, 16 seconds to make the shot. This is the last chance to make it right. We're together. Now. Oh, this is the last chance to do it right. Gotta bounce the ball. Yeah.
That's pretty awesome.
What are you talking about? You mean me sitting right there, doing nothing?
Yeah.
I know, I have really good sitting skills.
Yeah, I saw you sitting there, and then I saw you get up and do some High School Musical.
No, I never got up. I hate High School Musical 3.
I just saw you sitting dancing right here.
No. That was my twin brother, Edwin.
I don't have a twin brother.
He was born yesterday.
Who would look like you then?
You know what?
How did you even hear of High School Musical? Did you go see it?
No, my little sister watches it.
Oh, your little sister. What little sister?
My 1-day-old one.
Oh, was she born yesterday?
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah, I know. And she watches High School Musical.
Did let her watch High School Musical?
Well, I watched Dragon Ball Evolution.
Oh, you're a crazy gonad, aren't you? Watching Dragon Ball Z.
Hey, it's rated PG.
Kamehameha.
PG.
Ha.
You know, whoa, what?
Dude, is that Zac Efron?
Hey, I hate him. He's just one of those weird Canucker. You know, yeah, such a loser. Hey, you know what? You have to go to the bathroom right now, so, yeah, go. You need to go, man. Oh my God, you're gonna